Hey everyone, thanks for joining us here at Roots Tech. Today we're going to spend some time going through the new DNA features coming out from Ancestry DNA. I'm joined by my colleagues Brooke Alias, who is a lead UX designer, and Kelly Becker, who is a principal PM or product manager. My name is Kyle Miller. I'm the director of product for Ancestry DNA. So we focus on creating all of the new features coming your way. Today we're going to spend some time discussing the things that are coming out in the first half of this year for DNA matching. So Kelly and Brooke are going to walk us through the amazing new things that are coming your way. We hope you're as excited about them as we are. So without further ado, Kelly and Brooke, take it away.
Hi, I'm Kelly Becker, and I'm the Principal Product Manager at Ancestry DNA, and I work on our Ancestry DNA features. Today, I'm going to show you some improvements we're making to DNA matches. We are making it easier than ever and faster than ever for you to navigate, view, annotate, and organize your DNA matches. Let me walk you through some improvements we're making to your list of DNA matches. These improvements will be for all DNA customers. You are probably using many of these features already to annotate and organize your matches, such as notes and custom groups, and they are now more easily accessible from your list of DNA matches. Now, to add a note to a match, such as a discovery you made about a match or research you've done about that match, you can add a note by clicking Add Note, and write your note right in here. Close it by clicking the X. Notes will be shown right here under the match that you added a note for. And you can also edit the note by clicking this little note icon that will also open the panel that we just looked at, so you can add or edit a note that you've already written. If you wanted to add a match to a custom group, you also click Add to a Group, and you will see right from the list of matches, a panel comes up, and you can select which matches you would like to add to which group you've already created. You could also create a new group from this panel if there's a new group you would like to create to add your matches to. For those that have not used custom match groups, adding matches to a group can help you see patterns in the relationships to your DNA matches. If you know the parent side of a match or the ancestor a match may have descended from, you can create a group with that name and start to add matches you recognize to those groups. You can also create a group from this button right here and create your own group. Enter the name and then assign it a color. You can create up to 24 custom groups currently, but stick around for this presentation because Brooke will have some updates about how you may be able to get more custom groups in the near future. We've also improved our custom groups feature by brightening up the colors that are available to select a group. Let me go back into that. And also allowing the ability to add emojis or special characters into your groups as an easier way to differentiate. You can see here, there's hard to see, but there's a little flag in this group icon right here. So it's fun. You can start to use different characters, like I said, to make it easier to scan and see which groups are which. Search is also easily accessible from your list of matches. Here you can search your matches by clicking search. You can search by the name of your match. You can search by those with surnames and birth locations they may have in their family trees. This really helps you find matches that may, like I said, have trees that have names that you're researching in, or locations you know that some of your family members are in. So this is a great feature that's available. Also now easily accessible from your list of matches. One of the improvements I'm most excited about, though, is the introduction of our updated relationship labeler. We have improved our relationship labeler, the relationship you see labeled here for each match, by incorporating self-reported age and shared segment data into our relationship labeler technology. This allows us to get more precise within the relationship range we show today. So instead of showing a wide range of a relationship somewhere like close family to first cousin, as we label things today, We can instead pinpoint the 1 or 2 most likely relationships you share with a match. Here you can see the likely relationship with Julian is first cousin or half uncle. Today, you would see a wider range labeled first to second cousin. You can click on this label to see other relationships that are listed that are less likely but still possible. So I think this is going to be a great improvement. Really helps you narrow in on what the specific relationship to your matches are and takes a lot of the guesswork out because of the introduction of that other data I described. If you know the actual relationship to a match, say you know Julian is actually Bonnie's half uncle, you can click add. I'm using Sherry, but you could do it on anyone. It's just not working in the prototype. Add relationship. And you can go in and say, Julian is on my father's side or whichever side they're on. This one's maternal, but you could override it if you didn't think that was right. And on the next screen, you can say half uncle, and then this relationship would say half uncle. So you can always go in for every match and choose which of the relationships it is to you so that you only see that relationship listed. And if you don't know, you can leave it as is and explore both of those options in your research. Lastly, we've made it easy to share your DNA results with other people, including your list of DNA matches. Just click the share button and a modal will pop up where you can enter the email addresses of the people you would like to share your DNA results with. So that's new and easy to find, easy to share with others. Next up, I want to tell you about a couple new features that are coming to your list of matches with a membership, either a family history or DNA Plus membership. We are adding a long requested new filter to your list of matches, filter by DNA community. This allows you to easily see which matches are part of your DNA communities that you also belong to. We're also adding a new way to search your list of matches by ethnicity region. You can search your matches by any ethnicity region, not just the ones you have. Both of these features will help you find matches that may have lived in similar places as your family and can help you with your descendancy research and how you may be related. I hope you have enjoyed this overview of the improvements that we've made to our list of matches. Next up, Brooke will show you some even more new features that are coming soon to Ancestry DNA matches. Thank you.
Thanks, Kelly. Hello, everyone. My name is Brooke, and I will be showing you the new DNA features we have coming this year to our Pro Tools membership. First is a new enhanced view of shared matches. Now you will be able to see the predicted relationship and how many centimorgans your shared matches share with any given match. So how does this help you? Seeing how your matches are related to each other helps you understand how your matches are related to you and how they might fit together in your family tree. Do you have a bunch of floating trees of matches you've created? This will add another tool to your DNA toolbox for you to start using to try and connect them. Some of your matches might not have family trees, but your shared matches do. If you learn their relationship to each other, you'll discover your common ancestor to the match without a tree. We also have plans to continue to add to this feature. Add-ons you might see in the future are the ability to group all shared matches into your custom groups with one select all click, the ability to sort your shared matches by the match you're looking at's closest matches, and highlighting matches that have triangulated shared segments. So let's take a look at how this might work. Here you'll see the new shared matches page. I've clicked on my match, Jane Dunhill, and now I can see not only how Diane and Gloria and the rest of my shared matches are related to me, but I can also see how they're related to Jane. So Katrina here might be my first to second cousin, but now I can see that she could be Jane's niece or half-sister. When looking at this new shared matches layout, you can see the shared matches here on the left. And if you hover over these icons, you can see which matches have a common ancestor, which ones have trees, and which ones might not. You can also click on this plus button here, and you'll be able to add a relationship, add the match to a group, or add a note to this match, just like you were able to do previously. When you click on a predicted relationship for you and a shared match, you'll be able to see more shared DNA details for you and the match, but you'll also be able to click on the predicted relationship between the match you're looking at and the shared match, and you'll also be able to see more details about their relationship. When you want to start grouping your matches, if you click on this plus button, you can click add to group on any specific match, but you'll also be able to click on this group button up here in the top right. Once you click that, you'll get a new grouping panel, and you'll be able to select the matches here in these check boxes and add them to groups that you've created. In the future, you'll also be able to click this Select All button, which will select all of your shared matches at the same time, and then you can add them to whichever group you want to add them to. So once you click Apply, you'll then be able to see that all the shared matches that you've selected with that Select All button will be added to these groups. The next future add-on will be the ability to sort not only by your closest matches, but the match you're looking at's closest matches. So here I could sort them by Jane's closest matches or mine, and you'll still be able to sort them by newest to oldest. So that is what we have coming for the enhanced shared matches view, and we hope you are as excited as we are. The next feature we have coming to Pro Tools this year is an increased number of custom match groups. We are increasing the number of match groups you can have by 3 times. You'll now have access to creating up to 64 groups instead of just 24. More custom groups means more ways to organize your matches. You could create a group for each ancestor up to 4th great-grandparents. You can also use custom groups to group matches you're researching or ones you are stuck on. A good way to use custom groups is once you've added a known match to a family side or ancestor group, is to then look at shared matches for any given match and see if they appear. That can help you understand if that match is also related in that way. Thank you for tuning in to what's to come this year for Ancestry's new DNA match tools. We're excited to bring all these features to you and help you make new discoveries.